Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Credit Service Center. Today's special is a 2015 Buick Regal Premium 1, stock number Z7346XX. 42,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Smoky gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory, 6 years, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star overall government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5. Leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium one has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 42,000 miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box, overhead auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Regal has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 259 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with its 259 horses. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. And ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7346XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.